Hello everyone, welcome. As you can see, I am applying my facial mask. Now this is a facial mask that will have to get rid of spots and blemishes on the face, but guess what? It is also an anti-aging facial mask, and that's why I love it, because while clearing the dark spots and getting rid of the hyperpigmentation on the skin, this mask is also tightening and firming the skin, lifting the skin, boosting the collagen production, and I can feel my skin tightening already with this facial mask. Let me hurry and apply the mask to my skin. Now guys, I am using some amazing ingredient in this mask. Really amazing ingredient. Now these ingredients contains natural antioxidant, natural tightening properties, but more so natural ingredients that will help to get rid of the spots and blemishes from your skin. So if you're interested in seeing how I make this wonderful tightening dark spot remover facial mask, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up. In the meantime, I'm going to sit with mine on my skin for 30 minutes and let it dry. See you at the end of the video. Now to make this recipe, you're going to need a number of things. You're going to need a blender for blending. You're also going to need a jar for storing your face mask, and you are going to need a few cups. You're going to need some hot water, so get a kettle or something to make your hot water. Now take a look at the first ingredient, and this is rice. I'm using brown rice today. Use your favorite rice in this recipe. Now rice have to get rid of spots and blemishes from the skin. It also have to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines of aging skin. Rice also contain antioxidants that heals acne and reduce breakout. It removes impurity from your skin, reduce your pore size, and let your skin just breathe. Now, the first thing I'm going to do with my rice, I'm going to be blending. So I'm going to take a 1/4 cup of rice, pour it in the blender, cover. Now take a look guys, here I have my blended rice, and now it is rice powder. What I'm going to do with the rice powder, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of the rice powder, and I'm going to put this away in my refrigerator until I need to use it. You can keep it in your refrigerator for, a month or 2, okay? Now moving on to my next ingredient, and take a look at this up close. This is oatmeal, and oatmeal can soak up excess oil on your skin. It helps to treat acne. It have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Oatmeal also help to treat dry skin and remove dead skin cells. Oatmeal contain compound called saponis, which are natural cleanser. They remove dirt and oil that clog the pores, and it helps to exfoliate the skin. So just like the rice, I'm going to take a 1/4 cup of the oatmeal. I'm going to pour it in my blender. I'm going to cover. Here is our blended oatmeal powder. Now guys, just like the rice, you can choose to store this in a airtight container in your refrigerator, and you could have this in your refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 months once it doesn't get wet, okay? So what I'm going to do, just like the rice, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of the oatmeal, 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to put it away along with the 2 tablespoons of rice, and I'm going to move on to the next ingredient. Now here is my third ingredient guys, and this one I don't have to blend. However, you can choose to blend it if you have the peas. That is chickpeas, and this is chickpeas powder, also known as garbanzo bean. So definitely if you have chickpeas, especially the dried chickpeas, go ahead and blend it. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the chickpeas powder also. 2 tablespoons. Guys, if you do not have all 3 ingredients, not to worry, you can choose to use any 2 of these, okay? Alright, so let's recap. We have 2 tablespoons of our chickpeas powder, garbanzo beans. We have 2 tablespoons of our blended rice, and we also have 2 tablespoons of the blended oatmeal. Now guys, what we're going to do to begin with, we're going to mix all the 3 together. 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 2 tablespoons of the chickpeas, and 2 tablespoons of the rice. And this is going to make the base for our dark spot remover. Just blend well. Now once this is blended, we are ready to move on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my jar and I'm just going to scoop my mixture in the jar like I'm showing here. So next I'm reaching for my hot water, and I'm starting out with 1/3 cup of hot water. I'm going to pour this in the container, and I'm going to give this a stir. Now if it seems a little lumpy, a little dry like this is, we're going to go back and we're going to pour another 1/3 cup. So that's 2/3 cup of hot water. Pour it in. And this should be good. And now we're just going to blend it in. Just mix it. We're mixing this into a nice paste. You can choose to add more water, or you can choose to add some rose water. And we're going to pour about a tablespoon of the rose water in. And we're going to mix this in. And this is just good. And now we're gonna add some brightening agent to this. So our first brightening agent is lemon. And we're gonna squeeze about a tablespoon of lemon juice in the mixture. About a tablespoon. And here is an optional ingredient, but also a very good ingredient to add to this facial mask to remove spots and blemishes from the skin. And this is some toothpaste. We're using the toothpaste for the peroxide, which will help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. So I'm just going to take about a 1/2 teaspoon of the toothpaste. And I'm just going to mix it in my facial mask. So just blend it in and blend well. And now guys, our dark spot remover facial mask is ready. Now, so there you have it guys. Now that you know what is in this, what are you waiting for? This is a must try. Now I've used this several times, and each time I use it I'm blown away, and that's why I'm sharing it with you today. I know some of you might be like, oh, the toothpaste, but as I mentioned, the toothpaste is for the peroxide properties that's further gonna help to get rid of the hyperpigmentation. What I so love about this facial mask is that when you have a special occasion and you have to go out and you want that quick fix to your face, you want your skin to look amazing, tight, firm, and clear like in no time. A quick pick me up for your skin is this facial mask right here. Now if you use this for over a month and you have a lot of blemishes on your skin, you're gonna be blown away of how amazing, clear, and clean your skin will be looking. But guess what guys, what I so love about this is the tightening properties, the properties that tighten and firm my skin and give me that youthful look. So give it a try, use it for a week or two, come back and leave a comment. Remember, you can store this in your refrigerator for about 7 days. Rinse this off with some warm water for best result. Pat dry the skin, apply your favorite facial toner, serum, and moisturizer. I'm just gonna chill with this a little more. Just chill with my mask. I just loved it. Give it a try guys. Give it a try and come back and tell me what you think about it. Also guys, what do you think about this combination? If you like the combination, feel free to comment. If there's something that you would not use in this, feel free to comment. Comment, 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 comment. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.